What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Old Kales with another video. As y'all can tell, man, finna do a sound check today. Now, unfortunately, I had a sundown. These are the xv3 15's. I had one making a funny noise. I don't know what it was, so we just didn't feel like fooling with it. So we went on to the shop and got another one. And we're gonna install it in the box. So, got my batteries back there. Y'all just can't see them. That's only one of them put in. I gotta put two more in there. I'm about to take that woofer out, put this one in. But a little unboxing. And I definitely cannot pick this up with one hand. But brand new. All right, we got the new one up. Got it all wired up. Gonna do a little sound check and make sure it plays before we put it down in the box. All right. Screwdriver in. We'll turn up the gain a little bit, make sure it plays. All right, we got some movement. Looks like everything is playing normal. And we'll drop it down in the box and see what it does. And I know a lot of y'all gonna say, oh, the box is too small and this and that. And I'm not worried about all that. I have a plan for it. I got a reason why it is this small. And you know, notice I don't have a lot of room for the trunk. And I'm not trying to be in any competitions. I want it to sound the way I want it to sound. I don't really care about what anybody else thinks. Let's just get that clear now. All right, so we got them playing. I just ain't got them up loud. Turn it up a little bit for y'all. And I ain't got it screwed down. They moving. Sound good. I will say that. So this is just a little short video, show y'all what's going on. Whoa, ain't Betty, man. I don't have my alternator on here right now. I'm doing a dual alternator setup on the 4100, if you know anything about them. So we gonna see how that go. But and I'm gonna come back to y'all with some more updates, man. This is just gonna be a little short video. Show y'all the unboxing this sundown, doing what I need to do. So I'll catch y'all next time.